It's another hot day in Utah. If you've ever spent time gardening, working outside, or fishing and ended up with the sun beating down on your face and neck, you're going to love these. This company sent me these bamboo hats to try, and I'm really glad they did. Stay to the end because I'll show you exactly who these hats are perfect for and why I think they're such a fun and practical buy. I spend a lot of time outside taking care of my garden. I always end up wishing there was more shade, and I hate wearing heavy hats. These have been such a fun solution. And they definitely get people asking where I found them. You get 6 traditional Chinese bamboo rice hats. So they're perfect for families, gardening groups, farm workers, or anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors. It's so nice having extras to leave in different places or to share. Each hat measures about 16.5 inches wide and about 7.5 inches tall. The oversized brim provides shade over your face, neck, and even your shoulders. They're made from woven bamboo, so they're surprisingly lightweight. They don't feel heavy on your head even after wearing them for a long time. As you can see, they have a breathable design. The woven construction allows air to flow through. The raised inner support keeps the hat from sitting flat against your head, making it much more comfortable on hot days. These hats have so many uses. Things like gardening, watering flowers, farming, fishing, walking, yard work, beach trips, outdoor festivals, summer activities. I've even seen some people use these as craft projects. When you're not wearing them, they make really fun decorative pieces. They look great hanging on a wall, decorating a patio, or even used as a unique rustic home decor. If you're wondering whether they're bulky, they're actually very lightweight. These hats have made gardening outside so much more comfortable because I don't feel like the sun is constantly beating down on my face and neck anymore. They're lightweight, breathable, give fantastic shade, and with 6 included, they're a great value for families or anyone who spends a lot of time outside. If I can make one thing in your life easier today, let it be this. Whether you're gardening, fishing, working outside, or just want a fun way to stay cool in the sun, these are definitely worth checking out. I think you'll be really glad you did.